Hello, it's your girl Whitney and welcome to Makeup Monday. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing you my essential everyday neutral makeup routine. Now I essentially wear this kind of makeup especially when I am going to college or I'm just running errands and I want to look cute. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. So I'm starting off with a cleansed and fresh face. However, I do need to slap on some moisturizer because even though I do have combination skin, this can need some hydration. The cream that I use here is the Lakme Skin Youth Infinity Skin Sculpting Cream. Now, I never really usually lean on to Lakme products, not because I don't like the brand, but I just feel like they don't really make anything that's chocolate skin girl friendly. However, their skincare is bomb. Now moving on to my eyebrows, I'm using my spoolie to brush down my eyebrow hair. Then I'm taking my eyebrow pencil to fill them in. Tiny light strokes is the key to natural looking brows. You ladies always need to remember that. After filling the top layer of my brows, I do brush them up and then go in for the bottom. Now this is how both of them look when it's fully done. Next, I'm going to take a flat brush with my regular concealer and shape my brows. This helps them to keep them snatched all the time. Moving on, I'm taking a fluffy brush and packing in this brown shade from my Makeup Revolution palette and placing that color on my crease. Now I'm putting the color on my crease and slowly blending it out above my crease. That sort of gives it that smoky effect, if you guys get what I mean. Then I'm taking this nude shade from the same palette and placing that color on my lids. After I'm done with this step, I'm grabbing on the same blending brush I used in the beginning to smudge out some color and give it a natural look. Moving on to my face, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Fast Base Foundation in the shade F12 and F16. Now, I initially bought F16 for my base and F12 as a concealer, but it turns out F16 is way too dark for me and I ended up mixing the two and bam! It worked. Also, FYI, always make sure your beauty blender is clean and damp with water while blending. Using F12 to highlight and conceal, take your time while blending, otherwise you're gonna end up with weird patches around your face that isn't gonna look cute. Because when you do your makeup, you should look cute. Using a translucent powder to set. I'm not baking at this point. I'm just patting it in. Because honestly, when you bake, now I know my face looks really white. Don't worry, I'm gonna bring in some color back to my face. Having said that, I'm using my LA Girl Contour palette in the shade Deep. I'm placing that on my cheeks, on my chin, on my forehead, on my nose. Cause who doesn't want a snatched nose? Now you already know what highlighter I'm using, and that's the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. I love this highlighter so much, and you guys just won't understand how much I love it. Moving on to lips, I like my lips very neutral to match with my overall look. Hence, I'm lining my lips with a brown lip liner and using one of my favorite lipsticks from the Maybelline collection in the shade Nude Embrace. Now, this is a very true nude, and honestly, I would suggest this particular shade to anyone who is of dusky to deep skin. I feel like this shade will suit you perfectly. Whoops, almost forgot blush, but honestly you can really do without it, but at this point I want to look a little bit cute. And boom, that's it, guys. So guys, this is the finished look, and I really hope that you enjoyed it as much as I loved creating it. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more of me, make sure you hit the red subscribe button down below and also the bell button like so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a new video. If you're new on my channel, I do upload every Monday and Friday, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.